Hey everyone, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and we've got a $3,000 currency search to do for you here today. All right, so I've got 501s, 505s, and 2020s. Basically $120 bills to look through, $100 $5 bills to look through, and then 500 $1 bills to look through. We'll be looking for any kind of fancy zero notes, any star notes, things like that, any birthday notes. If I find something cool along the way, we'll loop you in. Otherwise, we're going to start with these 20s. All right, guys, no good finds in the 20s. We'll have to move on to the 5s now, see what we get in that stack. All right, we're in the second 20 bill strap of 5s, and we do have a trinary here, 906, 90609. Almost a radar, but not quite. And kind of like a repeater, but not quite either. To an extent, it is nice seeing at least a trinary so far. So I'll put this guy to the side, and we'll keep looking. All right, guys, a few bills later, not quite a trinary because there's 8, 6, 0s, and 9s, but it's kind of a cool serial number. I wish it would have ended in 86. That'd be really cool. I'm going to pull it aside for now just because it's something different, and we'll keep looking. All right, guys, we finished hunting the $500 in 5s. We got one trinary to show for it, and kind of a cool serial number. I'm going to keep it aside just because it's something different. Now let's hope we find some cool notes here in the $1 bills. We got 500 to go through, so it'll be a little bit. Let's get to hunting. All right, guys, halfway through the first stack, and we've got our first star note. B09059345. As a reminder, at the end of the video, I'll be checking for my star notes, print runs, and rarities to see if we got anything rare. But for now, we'll put them to the side, and we'll get back to the hunt. All right, guys, halfway through the second strap, got another star note. It's in terrible shape, but I'll take it, an 09, DO2146914, and we'll be checking that later as well. That makes 2 star notes. Let's keep looking. Just a few notes later, we got a trinary, 28887878. So it's 2s, 8s, and 7s. First trinary of the finds. For the 1s, we'll put that there. All right, guys, we're about most of the way through the third strap, and look what we got here. Another star note, 2013, LO9026678. It's our third one, and that's about what you want to start seeing. You want to see about 1 star note per strap of 100 of any bills. So we're on track still, only with the 1 trinary so far, so we'll keep looking. We're in that 4th strap, and we got our 4th star note, 2013, B06842758. We'll take it. Star note number 4. Remember, I'll be checking these for their print runs and their rarities at the end of the video. We're 2/3 of the way through that that 4th strap, guys, and we got a 1988A here. So one thing you want to check on your pre-99 notes, that's your 88s, your 95s, and I believe your 93. I'm a little bit rusty on notes. I'll have to do some research, but there's 3 years, 3 sets of notes where you want to check for the web note. And we'll go back to a regular $1 bill here. If it's part of a print sheet instead of a web sheet or a web run, then there's a number here for the plates at the bottom. And if that number's in that bottom right corner, then it's just off of a sheet. And if you think about a sheet, it has a whole bunch of bills on it, and it's printed out in a sheet, and then it's sliced up. On a web note, it's on a roll. So it's a continuous roll like that, and they feed it through and print them one by one. And if the number's in the bottom right, it's off a sheet. If it's above on the top right, then it's a web note. It would need to be up here. And since the number's down here, this is not a web note, but I always keep all my pre-2000s, 1999 and older notes for myself. So I'm pulling it aside, and I also wanted to show you that I also keep anything with an X on it. Those are pretty rare. They're not as rare as a star note, but they're pretty rare, and I keep those as well. All right, let's get back to the hunt. All right, just a few bills later, guys. Another star note, 2009, B11309706. We'll take it. It's now our 5th star note, so we're a little bit ahead of the curve of what I usually see in 5 stacks of 1s, so that's a pretty good sign. And we still got another stack to go through after we finish this one. So let's keep looking. We're most of the way through that last stack, just a handful of bills left. This is not a Series A, so it won't be a web note, but it is a 1988, and it's not in bad shape, so I'm going to take it. I'm going to add it to the collection of miscellaneous finds up there, and we'll finish running through these. You know what? We got you live. Why don't we just run through them live and see if we see anything worth talking about. Since there's only a handful of notes left here, man, this bank really had them, all the notes backwards, forwards, you name it. It's been a struggle to keep everything straight. But it's a lost art, making sure things stay. Oh, look at this. We've got a trinary, 6 9s and 0s, 609 06666. So that's kind of cool. Put that up there as well. All right, guys. So let me wrap this up. Let me check the rarity and print runs on these star notes, and we'll see how we did. All right, guys, we've checked the rarity of the star notes. All these 2013s are all part of a 3.2 million print run, so they're not rare at all. Same thing on these 2009s, but I do want to point out one thing. This star note right here was really, really close to being a seriously low star note. Let me show you what we have here. So this is my currency collection. You check your rarity, your star notes. You can see here search results for one 2009 star note with that serial number, and that matches that serial number. It shows you that my note is less rare versus more rare because it was part of a 3.2 million print run size. As we go down here, look at that print run. B06400001 through 432,000 is only a 32,000 print run. That star note would be ridiculous if you found that, or any of those 32,000 star notes. To an extent, we had a fun hunt. We found 5 star notes and 5 other finds. But you know what? That's how it goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, thanks for watching.